everyone, it's Nisha. So today I'm going to do another 5-minute eye look for hooded eyes. Of course this video will be a bit longer than 5 minutes because I will talk through it, but if I didn't, it would take me 5 minutes. First of all, let's just establish I have hooded eyes, because I always get those comments saying that I don't have hooded eyes. So as you can see, my mobile lid isn't visible. The top lid is hanging right over it, and that's hooded eyes. My eyes are also slightly downturned. So today I'm going to use the Too Faced Natural Lust palette. As you know, I'm trying not to get any more new palettes, so I'm trying to enjoy what I've got because I have so many. I think this palette I maybe just used once, so that's what I'm doing. Okay, I'm going to start with Afternoon Delight and put it above my crease, because as you know, with hooded eyes, crease is where your top lid folds over your mobile lid. So as you can see, my crease is really low. If I just put eyeshadow in there, you will never see it. So with hooded eyes, the higher you put your transition color, the better. You just have to see the eyeshadow. Now I can lift my eyebrows quite high, therefore I stretch my lid and I can work with my space. But if you can't do that, just physically lift your brow with your finger and start applying the eyeshadow, then drop your eyelid and see if you can see the eyeshadow. I hope that's clear. So this is going to be my transition color. So I'm just applying it. So now I'm going to drop my eye and I can see the eyeshadow. So I know that that's how I need to go. Also with Downturned eyes, can you see how my eye goes down here? If I follow that, that will drag my eye even lower. Let me just do it so you can see. Can you see the difference here and here? So you have to make sure that on the outer portion of your eye where it droops, you go higher, so you lift that droopiness. Such a lovely word. Now I'm going to go into Faux Hard and start deepening up my crease. And only concentrating out here and probably like halfway down my crease. And I'm starting to shade this. I'm starting to make my outer 7 or reverse 7. And if you're new here and you don't know what I'm talking about, I will link a video here. Reverse 7 is my invention of, it's basically outer V but on hooded eyes. I have a whole playlist of tips and tricks for hooded eyes, so I will link that as well. I'm going to go into Embrace Me and do exactly the same thing, just deepening up the crease. Now I'm going to go into Pin Down, which is this lovely purple color. And I'm going to start patting it here, being conscious that I'm making that 7 shape. Sometimes patting works much better when you're doing like a more precise work on more mature eyes, because they are not as smooth, and sometimes when you go in that wiper motions, you know, the skin is loose, so it keeps moving and it doesn't look as good. It looks a bit of a mess. So patting works really well, and then you can blend it out. Again, I'm dragging it into the crease, but not too far. Now, can you see when I drop my eyes, all this eyeshadow is down here. I don't have any at the top. So with my eyes dropped, I am going to lift it, so shade it a bit higher here. Can you see the difference? Now you can see it. You want everything to go up. Sorry, I forgot what I was saying because the postman just knocked on the door. So yeah, I can't remember what I was saying, but I think we were talking about making this outer portion of your eye higher to lift it, especially if you have downturned eyes. Okay, I'm going to leave it for now. On my mobile lid, I am going to apply the Flirty pop and use any flat synthetic brush, like a concealer brush, because they pick up those type of eyeshadows the best, and sort of tap and drag. Now with this eyeshadow, I'm going to go up right here on my inner corner quite high. That is gonna open up your eyes and make them pop and look a bit bigger. This is a very good trick if your eyes are very closely set to your nose. Now on my lower lash line, I'm going to apply Full Hard. Now I'm going to go to Pin Down, the purple one, and just do it on like 1/3 on my lower lash line. Now I'm going just to blend out the edges. I'm going to go into Love Spark and just apply it on the inner corner. Now take any kohl eyeliner. It is a bit easier doing a liner with kohl liner instead of liquid eyeliner when you have hooded eyes, because you don't have to be so precise and you can smudge it. So I just put a small line sort of halfway, and then I smudge it. And when I'm smudging it, I'm winging it out a bit. That way you get that shading effect, but you don't have to be that precise, you know. When you have hooded eyes, it's very difficult to do a wing liner with a liquid. And then I'm going to put tiny bit, just scrub it in my eyelashes, just at the corner. And now mascara. I'm going to use Climax from Nars first. For more drama, I'm going to top it off with the Chanel Le Volume de Chanel mascara. You could put false lashes on, but I can't be bothered. For my lips, I'm just going to use this lip pencil from Primark, which I really like. I think it was like 90 pence or £1. What color is it? Peony. So I apply it quite thick. I smudge it with my finger. And then I'm going to apply the Too Faced gloss in Raising the Roof, which is like one of my favorite glosses. And here is your finished look. I really like this palette. It has so many nice colors. It has some warms, some cools, and some pops of color. And the quality is good. You know, with Too Faced is hit and miss. Some eyeshadow palettes are not that good, but I really like this one. Okay, my lovelies, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching and stay fabulous. Bye.